Hello again, grade 1. Today we are taking lesson 11.3, make new three-dimensional shapes. In this picture, you can see a castle built by blocks, and the blocks are three-dimensional shapes. They have so many of them. We learned only 5. Do you remember the 5 shapes that we took? A cylinder, rectangular prism, cube, sphere, and a cone. So, in today's lesson, we will make new shapes using these 5 shapes that we learned. In this page number 645, they want me to draw again the same shape that Layla made, okay? Layla is trying to build a new shape using a rectangular prism and a cube. She takes the cube, she put it on top of the rectangular prism. Then she takes another rectangular prism and another cube and she do it again. So here we will do again like her. We will draw rectangular prism and a cube on the top. After we draw, we will understand that we can repeat the same shape again. Repeat means use again or do again, okay? In this page, we're going to use cylinders and cubes. We're gonna put the cylinder and then put the cube on the top. And then repeat, do it again. Another cylinder, another cube on the top. Then I want to combine them. Combine means to put together. When I combine something, I will put them together. So when I combine a cylinder with a cube on the top with another cylinder and a cube on the top, am I going to get cube, cylinder, cylinder, cube? Or 2 cubes with 2 cylinders on the top? Well, actually, when I put a cylinder with a cube on the top and another cylinder with a cube on the top and combine them together, they will look like this. One group. But if I turn my face upside down, I will look like it's gonna look like this shape. So I can flip them and they will look like this shape. So put a circle on which shape that you can make. I can make this one. I cannot, of course I cannot make this one because I'm putting on top of each other. I'm not putting them next to each other, okay? Now in this question, we're going to build and repeat. So the first shape that we built is a rectangular prism with a cone on the top. So imagine that we use the glue now. We glue the cone on top of the rectangular prism. We're not gonna move it now. It looks like this. So it looks like this. Then I'm gonna repeat it. Do it again. The same thing. Rectangular prism with a cone on the top. I can put it like this or like this. Like this much better. Because why? I have a shape like it here. I want to circle it. Combine them and then which new shape can you make? Can we make this one? No. Because the first shape that we did looks like this. And when we repeat it, we're gonna do it again, looking exactly like this. I'm not gonna put the 2 cones on one rectangular prism. And I cannot, of course, put both of them on top of each other like this. Because it's gonna fall. It's cannot stack with the cone. X for this one. So my shape is this. Circle it. In question 2, we have a cube with a cone on the top. This is the first one I'm gonna start with. When I repeat it, I build another one just like it, similar, just like it. So which shape I'm gonna circle? Of course not the cylinders, we don't have cylinders. So here, number 3, we have a rectangular prism and a cube. Rectangular prism and a cube. Then I'm gonna get another rectangular prism and a cube, and I can put them on top of each other. I can put them on top of each other like this. Or, I don't have this shape here. It's like this one if you make it stand up. I'm gonna make it stand up. Good, I'm gonna circle this one. Circle this one, okay? Use a concrete model. You can use your own things in the house, or you have blocks, you can play with them and use them to answer each of these questions, okay? So again, build and repeat. We have here a small cylinder with a cone on the top. I'm gonna repeat it again and again and again. Can I stack them on top of each other? No, I cannot stack them on top of each other. They will fall because it has a pointy edge here. I cannot put another one on top. And when I put like this, I'm not repeating this shape. I only repeated the cylinder, which is wrong. They want me to repeat all of this shape. So I will repeat it 1, 2, and 3 times. Then this is my shape. I'll circle it. Here I have a cylinder and a rectangular prism next to it. So when I repeat this shape, I'm going to have cylinder, rectangular prism, another cylinder, rectangular prism. So I'm not going to have all the cylinders next to each other and all the rectangular prism next to each other. I'm going to have it like this. So this is my shape. And this one, when I repeat a cube and a rectangular prism together, I'm going to have another cube and a rectangular prism again. Here, I have only a cube with 2 rectangular prisms. I don't have another cube. I don't have another cube. So this is not my shape. This is not my shape. Maybe this one. I'm going to think about it. I'm going to repeat and put them next to each other. I don't have this shape. Okay. I can flip one of them and put the other one on the top. What do you think? Yeah, much like it. This shape, when you stack them together, they will look like this one. So circle it. Look at this shape. How many of these two together we used? How many 2's did we use? This is the first 2. 1, 2, and 3. So how many did we use to make this shape? We used 3 of this one. How many of the 1's did we use? How many cubes, small cubes, did we use? Well, this is a small cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we used 6 cubes to make this shape. This page, it's your homework. Again, do it by yourselves and send me a picture or a video. Thank you.